Hey everybody, welcome back to another video. Today it's going to be a little bit different. I'm not feeling too well today, but I still wanted to get this video up because it's been on my mind to start drawing again, start painting again. I really enjoy it, but life happens and you end up not doing it for years at a time, and that's basically what's happened with me. I started off loving art. That's what led to my makeup career. I started off coloring in coloring books, and I still to this day like to color in coloring books. It's therapeutic for me. And from there it went into drawing. From drawing it went into painting. And from painting canvases, I then started painting people's faces and hair. So I've always had a passion and a true love for art. I've always said too, even in tattooing, I look at it as a form of art. Piercing, even like architects, like people that design homes and stuff, like all of it, I look at it as a form of art, because you need like a creative mind for all of that. So I am trying to draw again. I have not drawn in a very long time, so this should be interesting. I have my sketchbook here. I actually made this sketchbook in high school. Literally, I made it. That was a project of ours, was to make a sketchbook. So some of these are from '07. I guess I can show you some. There's my Tinkerbell. This one, I don't know if I ever finished it, but I'm pretty proud of this one. It is Beauty and the Beast. I feel like Belle, from my memory, the only thing that's maybe not done, needs a little tweaking, is Belle. She was very hard to draw. I couldn't get her down for some reason, but maybe that'll be a future video trying to get her down. But I feel like in regards to the Beast and the other characters, I pretty much nailed it. I can do a little tweaking here with Mrs. Potts. For the most part, it's done. I feel like there's some tweaking that needs to happen. So for today, I am going to finish my drawing here of my first niece, which is my brother's dog, Luna. And I actually started it, but I didn't get very far. Just like the outline and the sketch. So I'm going to take you guys along with me on finishing this portrait here. God, I don't even remember what these different pencils mean. I bought these pencils. I took a drawing class in college, and I bought these pencils. They're really, really good. I actually really enjoy these. Oh God, where do I even start? I don't even know. Let me see here. Okay, I see what I did here. Okay. See there. Okay, I like to work from the top down because right here starts smudging all of this, so I'm not down for that, as any artist wouldn't be. So we're gonna try this out. Oh boy, let's see how we do. Layout, ebony pencil, okay. I feel as though with this specific photo, you have to color in the shape and then start forming the highlights, and the highlights will give us the more realistic shape here. And I want to do the strokes in the direction that the hair is. flowing. I have a funny story about Luna. So one time I was watching her. This was at my brother's old house, and I ordered takeout, and the takeout guy came real chill, and Luna escaped the house when I opened the fucking door for this takeout. I was so pissed off. I bolted after this damn dog, and one of the neighbors, like, she was fast. She was a puppy at that time, so she was not playing around. And the type of breed that she is, very hyper, Irish Terrier. The neighbor was able to grab her, which I'm so thankful for. I walk her back with the death grip, and the delivery guy is still there waiting. So chill. I felt so bad, but I was so grateful that he wasn't like a psycho and did anything to the house or anything. Honestly, I have no idea what I'm doing. I'm just drawing lines until I get a feel of what to do. See, these are shorter hairs, so we gotta do something like this. This is like a little smudger guy. It doesn't eliminate the lines. It just kind of just like smears it. All right, so we have the foundation, you can say, of Miss Luna. This is how I like to draw. I kind of like to make it look a little crazy first before you start to see the true drawing. Then with my eraser is where I start adding some highlights. Sometimes you can use your finger too to like smudge a little bit more. See, like how I did that? I think in order for this to look even more realistic too, I'm gonna have to do the black background like in the photo. And then with a super thin and light pencil, we're gonna do like baby lines to match her ear here. In the highlighted area we just did. I think I have to do the black background because I'm like confusing myself, even if it's just a little bit. Let's see here. Now we can go in and do those highlights again. I feel like her ear is a little bit too high. I think I'm done this part for now. I focused really heavy on that. I'm gonna continue down or maybe to the side. Maybe I'm thinking to the side. So, yeah, let's get to it. It is late. I've been here all day doing this. Taking breaks here and there, but this is what I came up with. It's been a long time. This is the original photo. Hope y'all enjoyed. It's been about 5 years since I've drawn. I'm a little rusty, but I feel like I still got it, you know. I've been here all day doing this drawing, and I think it's time to call it a night. Hope y'all enjoy these kinds of videos, and I'll see you in my next one.